Okay, hi everybody. Got I want this diamond sticker kit. I got it off of the fruit one. I'm not gonna tell you what I'm gonna use this for yet. I'm not gonna tell nobody what it's for, but there's a reason why I got it. It's always a reason. That's all we gonna say. There's some weird counts. There's some weird counts, man. Let me go. What else? A pen and a little bowl. Oh, it's flimsy. And a little bit of wax. Little teeny wax. Look like a chiclet. It's 8 stickers. But I have an idea for them. That's why I ordered this. This was I think $1.68. Yeah, $1.68 for these. I think that's a blackberry, a pear, strawberry, and pineapple. That's my guesses. Oh, all in all, I don't know if I really want to. It's a different one. I don't know what to do with this kid. Cause they're cute. I wish they was bigger. I thought they was bigger. I don't read nothing, so that's how it happens when you don't read. This is the conclusion of doing the stickers. Okay, now my stuff falling off this table. Okay. About the stickers. It's as usual. It's the stickers are actually really easy to do to me. I put, you can see it. I put a coat of glue on top to see if it helped make it sparkle a little more. And so if I stick it on something, which I still have to seal it again if I stick it on top of something, type of thing. I like the detail in these. It's really nice. Grapes, pear. I like the pineapple and strawberry. These is just 8 stickers. Yeah, 8 stickers. It was a lot of fun. Really easy. Dropped half the bag of the black on the floor and still had enough. But a lot of the ABs were stuck to each other. The gems were stuck to each other. A lot of them were just sticking to each other. And I didn't like that because it made me take more time to finish because I was trying to make sure and sort out the ones that were good from the bad ones so I can finish these pictures, which was problematic. Again, like with the when I was doing the pig lamp thing, I had the same problem. This one was on what was that? Aliexpress. I got this one for $1.69 on Aliexpress. So I can't really complain about the price because it was $1.69, but I was just kind of mad that I had to sort through just to finish. They had a lot of extras, of course. And I'm drinking. So I'm drinking a strawberry daiquiri. Wine cooler when I'm talking, but yeah, that's what I want to do tonight. And I was watching Sharknado. I like how the detail in the cherry, 2 different greens and stuff, and a lot of them. I think it was 9 or colors or 10 colors in this one. And I didn't like the kid that came with it because it's that round bowl thing. I don't like that round bowl. I tried it. I did. I think I used it with one of them, and I just want to try it out because I'm not buying extra supplies. And when I sealed these, I pulled the sticky part right here on the edges off after because